Hello, and welcome to another episode of Healthcare Insights by Health Innovator. I'm your host, Hamid Mahmood. AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace, and IT outsourcing is no exception. From software development to quality assurance, AI is automating tasks that were once outsourced to human workers. But what does that mean for the future of IT jobs? Will AI replace outsourcing altogether? Let's dive into it and discuss the impact AI is having on IT outsourcing and what the future holds. There's a significant rise of AI in software development. AI powered tools like GitHub, Copilot, and Claude are revolutionizing software development. These platforms can write code, debug errors, and even suggest improvements, tasks that were traditionally handled by outsourced development teams. Additionally, AI can enable auto code generation. AI can write functional code based on simple prompts, bug detection and fixing. AI powered debugging tools identify and resolve errors faster than humans, and code optimization. AI suggests improvements to enhance efficiency and security. With AI, companies can develop software faster, cheaper, and with fewer human developers. This means less reliance on outsourced teams, especially for routine coding tasks. AI is also having an impact on quality assurance. Quality assurance, or QA, is another area where AI is making huge strides. AI-powered testing tools can automate test case generation, run regression tests, and predict defects, reducing the need for outsourced QA teams. Additionally, AI enables automated test case generation. AI creates test cases based on software requirements. Regression testing, like we just talked about, AI continuously tests software updates to prevent bugs. Defect prediction, AI analyzes code changes to identify high-risk areas. While AI enhances efficiency, human testers are still going to be needed for usability testing, creative problem solving, and ensuring a seamless user experience. AI is a tool, not a total replacement, at least for now. For decades, companies have outsourced IT jobs to cut costs and access global talent. But with AI is changing the equation. With AI handling code, testing, and even cyber